Now, one of the new realities of the revamped running track at the National Stadium is that the 100-meter sprint can now be run either at the traditional stretch in front of the grandstand or at the opposite side of the stadium along the back stretch in front of the bleachers. We are being told that depending on the direction of the wind, the 100-meter sprint could be run at either side of the stadium. Problem though, premium price tickets are generally sold for the grandstand, specifically for prime viewing of events like the 100 meters. Now, what do you tell premium ticket holders when a big 100-meter final is moved to the bleachers side of the stadium, favoring the non-premium ticket holders, leaving the people in the grandstand with their premium tickets in hand, having to resort to the use of a telescope to find out who win the race. Who win the race? Who win the race? I can't see a car. Who win the race?